Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with OnStar Guidance Emergency Communication System, Lane Departure Warning System, roof-mounted luggage rack and side rails, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium cloth seat trim, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, steering wheel controls, auto high beam headlamp control, Sirius XM satellite radio, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.